Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to learn about something that came to us purely by accident. My daughter-in-law gave us something that my grandchildren would not eat. They said they didn't like it. So we tried it and we thought it was wonderful, and I wanted to bring it to you. It's called Made Good Granola Minis. These things are so good. The two flavors that we have are mixed berry, and you get 6. And the other one is chocolate chip, and you also get 6. This is 7. The amount is less than an ounce. But the good thing is that it's 100 calories. These are 110. The chocolate chip ones are 110, but the mixed berry are 100. Okay? These are some things you need to know about them. The fat content is low. It's 3 grams for the mixed berry, 4.5 grams of fat for the chocolate chip. Everything with the chocolate chip is a little bit higher, some are the same. Now, the sodium, which is really good, is only 5 milligrams of sodium in both. The protein is 2 grams, and you get just 4 grams of sugar in the mixed berry, and then in the chocolate chip, it's a little bit higher, it's 1.5 teaspoons. But they are not super sweet. And the thing that we found so exciting about this is that they also have vegetables in it. Too many vegetables for me to mention, but you can't taste it. And so you would be getting vegetables and you don't even know it. But it's a sweet little snack for you to have. And it's not something that you would make a meal off of, but you could grab it, throw it in your purse, put it in your pocket, and go. And you would have yourself a really, really nice little snack. The size, I wanted to show you. Here's my cell phone. That's how big it is. Okay? I'll put the link below so that you can find them and you can read all about them and decide whether you want to get them or not. We get this big bag because actually everybody in the family eats them. My husband, my daughter, Evan, and I, all of us eat them, and they're really, really good. It's all organic, and it has vitamin C and vitamin D in it as well. So how could you go wrong? It's got vegetables, it's got a little bit of sweetener, it has some oats in it is the basis. It's really, really a good snack. And so I had to share it with you. And that's really the end of this video. So with that said, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. And you will remember that I told you to smile not too long ago. Keep smiling. It does make a difference with people that are around you. Okay?